What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm here to do another full house cleaning to test vacuum cleaning performance. This time I thought I would feature my blue Hoover Elite. This is essentially one of the many models of the Elites that they made back then. But however, this one, I would like to point out, is a replica model. It's not an actual model. I just pieced together a bunch of other Elites that I had laying around for parts and made one working one that so happened to be based off a real model. And just to let you know the playing field that this thing's gonna have, it has a 7-amp motor with original 7-bladed fan, but the brush roll in this is a whole nother story. Here is a genuine new old stock dual row brush roll with the full brush width that I bought for another Elite, and that currently I decided to run in this just to test it out to see how it works. So as you can see, it's brand new. The bristles are very nice and long and extremely stiff. So I'm pretty excited to test this out. As you can see, I got its correct bottom plate for this particular brush roll. And as usual, fresh new HEPA Type A bag. So there's really not that much else to say about this other than let's go ahead and get to full house cleaning with it. And so let's go ahead and get started. I can just say is fantastic. I mean, yes, I know this is a brand new brush roll, but the power of this already is just amazing. The extra stiff bristles, the full length of said bristles, and the fact that they're long enough and have so good of vegetation that it practically pulls the vacuum forward, just as a testament to how strong and great of cleaners these old Elites are. And so, quick look and analyze of the carpet lines. As you can see, pretty typical Elite fare with the carpet lines, but one thing I would like to call your attention to is just how beautiful these lines are. I mean, normally when these Elite brush rolls wear out and the bristles get short over the years, they eventually start to show up the little form marks in the base plate. Even the 4-wire base plates are guilty of that from time to time, but that's with a more worn out brush roll. The 3-bar plastic base plate always leaves its marks. Doesn't matter even if you have a full length brush roll with the 3-bar plastic base plate, they will always leave marks. But not these 4-wire base plates. They just groom so much better. Probably even better than the ones with the single bar down the middle. But let's go ahead and continue on and show you the final results. the full house cleaning is all complete. And definitely this brush roll packs some punch. Specifically because, yeah, obviously it's brand new. But the only thing I'm still might cringe about is the eventual wear marks that are going to show in the bristle due to this bottom plate. But it is what it is. But really, this thing is just amazing with carpet agitation and definitely quite impressive pickup performance. I argue that this may be a little bit too powerful, especially for my downstairs rug. So, yeah, a lot of the pickup is going to be probably mostly just like fibrous material from that rug, but we'll see what exactly got pulled out to begin with. And my golly, look at that. Just as I thought. Yeah, a lot of fibrous material from the downstairs rug, but as usual, a bunch of fine dust, bit of pet hair, and you can definitely make out lots of it towards the bottom. That is just literally amazing. I just love the performance of these Elites with the deluxe dual row brush roll that was used on high-end models. It's just amazing what their capability is. So everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this full house cleaning of the Hoover Elite. Be sure and stay tuned, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.